my dance. I never just get on game. I never I have ever walked around with my toilet paper stuck to my shoes. I have. Wait, we don't even have toilet paper. I don't know. Never I have even fallen off a bike. Yes, I have. Entirely, I can't ride a bike. I just don't know what the training is. I will say this video if this video has 100 subscribers. Never I have the support suspending from school. Never I have. Never. I'm a kid. Never I have. Never. See, I never do. If you say I'm lying, I'm not lying. Yes, I'm never spending that's enough for that. Never I have been traveled out of the country. Never. Yes, I never go out of the country to see grass. I just never. Block my phone. Never I have rage quit. Never I win a rage quit. Roblox? I never rage quit Roblox, right? You're face. You're lying. Never I never do that. I never. Promise Wednesday. Or I'm gonna be, if you don't subscribe, I will hide you in red in your room tonight. Never water or Raider? Watch water. I never. What? A Raider? It's water. Never Wait, I don't have a sibling. I have a sibling. No, I'm lying. Never I
You're so sweet and awesome.
Never I have even fallen off of chair. Yes, I have. Yes, I keep falling off the chair. If I'm sitting on the chair, like in the chair. You can see me on this. Never I have This is my phone. This is my mom's phone. Whatever. Okay, the last question. Never I have ever spent more than 100 on my item clothes. Never. I don't have 100. My mom doesn't give me 100. Okay, see you on the next video.